Here is how you can back up everything on your Android device. Let me show you the options we have. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So when you get to your settings, and you can see in the main settings page, you can scroll through the available things. But if you tap on a general management, you will see some options, and you can tap on reset at the bottom. So when you tap on reset like this, you can see that this is the page where you can reset all of the settings and erase all content or whatever you want to get rid of on your phone. But at the top, you have two ways to back up your phone. So we have the temporary cloud backup, at least on the Samsung phones. This is what we have available. And we also have external storage backup. So these are the two options which I can see. These are, of course, the everything backups. It's not like I'm just backing up my photos to Google Photos or some random files to Dropbox, right? This is completely everything with the app layouts and all of that. So this is what I can pick between. When I click on the temporary, it is using the Samsung Cloud, using my Samsung account, so I can back up the data right there, and I can do it for 30 days for free with the intentions of switching to a new phone. This is why the feature exists. But the external storage backup literally allows you to connect some kind of external SSD or USB stick, whatever, through the bottom port of the phone, right? So as you can see, this is gonna allow me to, I have to allow the access to everything, and now I can insert a USB or SSD storage where I'm going to back up everything. So as you can tell, I have this one where it says 1 terabyte of storage. So it's definitely going to be enough. And I can back up literally everything to this external storage. So this is the way which I would personally go with. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.